Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Today's video is all about my Gucci Marmont camera bag and what fits inside. So it's not gonna be a long video, just a cute little short video. Couple of my citizens wanted to know what fits inside of this camera bag. So if you're new here and you haven't seen the unboxing of this Gucci Marmont camera bag, click the link up top and watch that, and then come back and watch this video just in case you're interested in buying this bag. You'll know what fits in here, and it is a great fit. So without further ado, let's get into this what fits in my Gucci Marmont camera bag. Okay guys, so I'm just going to take everything out. I'm going to put on a little bit of music and just take everything out, and then we'll put everything back in. And if you're new here, join the family, become a citizen. So hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you could be notified. I know you want to be a citizen. This is good vibes over here, only good vibes. So let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just explain a little bit of everything so you can just get a really good idea. So this is a full-size Gucci wallet, and it's like a full-size zippy. I can't remember the name of it. It's, you know, pretty old. I had it for a while, but it's a full-size Gucci wallet. So put that in here. Then of course my iPhone 12 Pro fits. Then I have my YSL card holder. Then of course you always got to keep some hand wipes. And my AirPods. And I always like to keep my AirPods like in a little side pocket, because it is a little side pocket inside of the bag. I said I showed that in the unboxing, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it and come back and finish watching this. And I always like to keep like a little small hand cream inside a small pocket as well. And my lip balm, carried a Fenty Pro Kisser. It's just like a clear lip balm, if anyone was concerned or want to know. I love this Pro Kisser. And then I carry my compact Fenty mirror, double-sided mirror. And all of that fits in the little small pocket because it's easy to just access it. And then of course, got to keep the hand sanitizer. And then my Apple pen. I don't know why I have this in my bag. I think I was carrying it, so we're just going to put it back in there. So we use it like if you had a regular pen. Put that in there. And I always carry tweezers. I don't know why. It's just a habit. Pack of gum. Then this is like a old card holder, but I actually keep pictures of my kids in here. It's really old. And then my 6-ring key holder, a Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder that fits too, with my car key. And starting to get a little tight. I didn't organize it as well as I usually do. I don't know why I did it that way. And then I always keep, I don't know about anybody else, but you know the little booklet that comes with the bag and the little all the little cards and date codes and all that stuff like that. I don't know. It's just a habit. I just keep them right in my bag, inside the little side pocket if it comes with a pocket. And then a pair of shades that I just put in a little shade bag. Just a small pair of aviators. And I always sit them like right on top. And it is full to capacity. But it's not too heavy. So you can get a lot in here. And I'm pretty sure if I want it, I can push it a little bit more. But this is just what I need to carry on a daily basis. So that is it for this what fits inside of my Gucci Marmont camera bag. And if you're new here and you like videos like this, do me a favor. You've been here this long, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace. I'm ready to do my unboxing video. Cheese.